What's going on, guys? Here's MJ at MaxShine. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys a paint correction ceramic coating how-to, and then we're gonna go ahead and demonstrate it on this X4 comp, and then show you guys the tips, tricks, and the products we use. What's going on? So now we're gonna go ahead and move forward, starting the engine. Make sure that you can actually touch the engine. If it's not too hot, you wanna go ahead and make sure that it cools down. We're gonna go ahead and rinse it, degrease it, then foam it, agitate it, and we're gonna go ahead and see if it needs another one after that. If it does, we're gonna repeat the same process. If it doesn't, we're gonna start drying it a little bit. If not, we're gonna go ahead and just do the actual car, and then once we're all done with that, dry it all off. All right, guys, so we finished the engine. It's already fully degreased, all clean. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the wheels, and after the wheels, we'll start the paint. So now we went ahead and rinsed down the car. We're gonna go ahead and foam it. After that, scrub it all up, and then follow it up with the iron and a clay bar. So I like to go ahead and wash the car from top to bottom first. Want to make sure you're always dipping down your bucket into some new solution or soap, so that way all the dirt comes off the wash mitt and you don't have dirt just going all over the same place. So we're spraying the effects right onto the paint. We're gonna go ahead and just do it on all of the paint, so that way it removes the contamination. And this is another step of form of decontamination rather than just clay bar. It helps remove iron particles that are in the paint that a simple clay bar cannot remove. So now we went ahead and pulled in the car. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the clay bar. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and dry it, and then go ahead and install some tape all around the edges if it needs some, and then follow that up with a paint prep, and then start doing the paint correction. Gonna go ahead and put your compound on their pad. Gonna go ahead and distribute it right here. Do a little section. So the reason why I went ahead with this product and this pad was because of the fact that these defects were super bad, and then on top of that, the actual paint was kind of like a little bit of faded. It's kind of dulled out, surprisingly, for being a brand new car. So this method works a lot better. So we're just gonna do it a couple more times. That way we'll go ahead and get the results that we want. And after that, buff it off, and then we should be good. Now the last final step is to go ahead and apply some ceramic coating. We're gonna go ahead and apply our graphene ceramic coating. This should last you about 7 years if properly maintained. If not properly maintained, it will not last you about that time frame. So be mindful of that to make sure you do wash it, because just because it has ceramic coating does not mean do not wash it. Please wash it, but let's go ahead nonetheless, move on forward and apply this ceramic coating. All right guys, so that pretty much wraps up today's video. We went ahead and washed it, decontaminated it, polished it, and ceramic coated it. So if you guys like this type of videos, don't forget to go ahead and like and comment on this specific video. And don't forget also to go ahead and follow us on Instagram, MJ_detail, and on YouTube, MJ Detail. Thank you guys. See you guys later. Peace.